So let us continue with the statistics section. So here is the next question. In how many of the distinct permutations of the letters Tennessee, okay, do the four E's not come together? Four E's, this is 1, 2, E, E, right? So here are four E's not come together. So first of all, we have to find out the permutation in how many ways we can actually arrange the word Tennessee. So as you know that in the term Tennessee, so let's write down. So there are 9 words, okay? So 9 different ways. And so here we have 4E that can be arranged in 4 different ways. We have 2N that can be arranged in 2 different ways, and the remaining S that can be arranged in 2 different ways. So that will give us 3780. Okay, now number of permutation in which all E's are together. That is for, so this is total, right? And here we are going to find out not come together. So this is total. From there, if we subtract how many will come together, we will get the a number that E is not together, right? So in order to find out how many ways you can arrange them so that they will come together, so for that 1 2 3 4, right? So here they can be written as, so there are 6 places, 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? In ways, and they can be written 2 times like this. So this is your 180. So together, permutation of writing it together is this, and total is this. So not together is from the total ways of presenting these alphabets. If you subtract where E can be written together, you will find out that how many times the 4 E's will not come together. So that is 3780 minus 180 is 3600. So option C is the correct answer. Next, determine the number of 4 cards combination out of a deck of 52 cards. If there is exactly 1 king and 1 spade in each combination, okay, 4 card combinations we are talking about here. And so king of spade is, so basically exactly 1 king and 1 spade we are talking about. So there is a case where 1 king of spade can be selected, or 1 king of spade not selected, right? So when king of spade is selected, right, so there are 4 cards. If one is king of spade, the remaining are not king of spade. So the probability is 1C1 times 3C, I mean 36C3, right? So if we get it, the answer is 7140. And here it is 3C1, 1 king of spade not selected, so 3 are selected, right? And the remaining one will be 12C1. Okay, so number of 4 card combination out of a deck of 52 cards, there is exactly 1 king and 1 spade in each combination we are talking about. So 1 king of spade, because king and spade, so that it becomes 1 of 1, and out of the decks we will select 3 from the other decks. And here if we have 3 of such cards, then from we are going to select 1 from the deck of 12, right? So this becomes, so this is the combination of selecting the card here. 1 2 is gone. Now we have 2 more cards to be selected from the remaining 36 62. So this is 3C1, 12C1 and 36C2. Okay, so here we have got the answers 3C1, 12C2, this is 22680. So total is what? Total we have to find out total number of combinations. This combination is possible and this combination is possible. So add it, 22680 plus 7140 026171879292. So it is 29820. So the option D is the correct answer. Moving on to the next one. Determine the interquartile range for this set of numbers. Okay, so what is interquartile range? Interquartile range is third quartile minus the first quartile, right? So we have to first determine, say, the quadrals. Now it is arranged in the ascending order, so we don't have to go for that. We can simply find out first the median and then divide it into two sets. The mid value of the first and the mid value of the second set will give us the Q3 and Q1. So what is it? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's even number. So even number is fifth and sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in between this, so we have um, so the middlemost observation here, if we divide it into two sets, this is one set and this is another set. The middlemost is here is Q2. So of course the middlemost among this is Q1. So Q1. So I can write down Q1 is 2. And the middlemost among this is Q3. That is 21. Q3 is 21. Right? Yeah. So IQR is equals to 21 minus 2 is equals to 19. And that is A. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. The correlation coefficient between x and y is 0.5. Then the correlation coefficient between 3x and minus y plus 2 is how much? Okay. So cov of 3x and minus y plus 2 is equals to 3 times cov of x comma minus y minus, okay, plus 6 into cov of x. So basically we will not do this one. Wait. Okay, we don't have to find out the covariance, we have to find out a correlation. Okay, so R is equals to cov of 3x comma minus y plus 2 divided by standard deviation of 3x into standard deviation of minus y plus 2, right? Now so from here what information we have? We have this is 0.5. Okay, now one thing we can do from here is that we can take out the value 3. Okay, how can we do that? See, here it is 3 into minus 1 into cov of xy. This is 3 into minus 1 cov of xy. So this is 3 into minus 1 into cov of x comma y divided by, again, 3 into minus 1 sd of x into sd of y. Because this is sd here, so of course we are going to take 1 square. Root of 1 square is 1, just so 1. Now this cov of xy by sdx into sdy, this is nothing but r, that is 0.5. So you have got 3 gets cancelled. So we have got minus of cov xy by sdx sdy. So minus of 0.5. That is the answer. That's B. Next question. 3 cards were drawn at random from a deck of 52 cards, given that all 3 of them have different symbols: spade, hearts, diamonds, clubs. What is the probability that all 3 cards are aces? Okay, interesting question here. So first of all, we have 52 cards, out of which we are selecting a card. Then remaining 39 we are selecting a card, and then in a 26th way we are selecting ace. So these are the ways we can select aces. 4 packs, 3 packs, 2 packs, 1, 1, 1 each. So the answer is equals to 5, 2, 7, 2, 8. That's here, that is the number of combination, right? Now we have to find out number of combination in which we can have 3 aces. So that is definitely 4C3 is 4. So this is the total way of selecting aces, and 3 aces out of 4 is this. So 4 out of 5, 2, 7 to 8. That is, if you simplify it, we will get 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 4 ones are 4, 32 to 8. So 1 3 1 8 2. 1 in 1 3 1 8. So it's C. Next question. Let x and y two events be this and this and this, then we, okay, this is very easy. So probability of x union y is equals to probability of x plus probability of y minus probability of x intersection y. So that is 0.5 plus 0.8 minus 0.4 is 0.5 plus 0.4 is 0.9. Okay, so that is option B. Next question, 37. Which graph is best suited to display the change of variable over a period of time? It's line graph. Time series, always line graph. Next. How many 3-digit numbers are there having at least one of the digit as 3? 3-digit number having at least one as 3-digit. Okay. So first of all, number of 3 digits. How many 3-digit numbers are there? So that is 9 into 10 into 10 is equals to 900. Okay. Number of 3 digits without the digit 3, 8 into 9 into 9. That is 648. So that means number of digits with at least 1 as 3 is 900 minus 648 is equals to 2, 4155, 6172, 252. That is option B. 39. The number of permutation of the word actuaries. ACTUARI. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 9 factorial by 2 factorial is equals to 181440. Because A can be arranged in 2 ways, so that's why 9 factorial by 2 factorial. Last one. From a group of 12 boys and 8 girls, a team is to be formed such that there are 3 girls and 5 boys in the team. How many ways can this be done? So 12 boys, 5 boys. So 12C5 into 8 girls, 3 girls. So 8C3. That is 12 factorial by 5 factorial into 7 factorial into 8 factorial by 5 factorial into 3 factorial. So that is 12 into 8 into 9 in, oops, sorry. Just a second. That is 12 into 10 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. Better? And this is 8 into 7 factorial by 5 factorial into 5 factorial into 3 factorial into 7 factorial. 7 gets cancelled, 5 gets cancelled. We still have 5 and 3 factorial, so 3 into 2, so 6 gets cancelled, and here we have 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, so 5 4s are 20, 23 is 60, so 5 factorial is what? 5 4 3 2, right? So it's 20 and 6, it's 120. Let's cancel out 120. 12 into 10 are 120. So we have 11 into 9 into 8 into 7, which is 44352. Okay, so 44352B is the correct answer. So that's it for the statistics section from ACET 2024 solutions.